South Carolina Republicans are reviving their efforts once again to try and ban abortions in our state.
This move comes 3 weeks after the state Supreme Court overturned the fetal heartbeat law, which bans abortions at about 6 weeks or so.
News 19's Becky Buds is at the State House with the latest details on these efforts. Becky, what were they up to today?
With a House panel approving the first abortion ban to get a public hearing this year, there's a growing possibility this issue could once again dominate the legislature.
One thing this bill does is to end the practice of abortion being used as birth control in our state.
Representative John McCravey introducing the Human Life Protection Act, which would ban abortions in the state with exceptions for rape, incest, and life of the mother.
Statistics show that this bill would still save 99.5% of all children.
The proposal, backed by dozens of Republicans, does not restrict in vitro fertilizations or contraception and does not criminalize people for getting an abortion. However, it does include criminal penalties for doctors who perform illegal abortions. Lawmakers heard more than 30 minutes of public testimony Thursday from supporters and opponents of the bill.
You're not stopping anything, you're just hurting poor women, because women of means always find a way to go where they can get the care they want, and that includes abortions.
Make it very clear what the state of South Carolina says about the issue of privacy, what the state of South Carolina says about the issue of abortion, so that the Supreme Court cannot blur those lines again.
McCravey expressed confidence that his new proposal would satisfy one of the 3 Supreme Court justices who voted to strike down the fetal heartbeat law.
This bill recognizes that human life begins at conception and that human life is deserving of protection at all stages of development and decline.
Democrats like Representative Spencer Wetmore disagree and say they will continue fighting this legislation.
For everyone that's concerned about checks and balances and separation of power, the fact that we're back here today seems like a direct assault on that idea.
The full House Judiciary Committee must now pass the measure before it reaches the House floor for a vote. Reporting at the State House, Becky Buds, News 19 WLTX.
And next month, lawmakers will vote on Justice Kay Hearn's replacement on the bench. Judge Gary Hill expected to be elected after 2 women vying for Hearn's seat dropped out of the race earlier this month.